Wow, this phone is incredibly thin. It's really remarkably thin, truly. Let me show you its effect again. That's all. The Vivo S Fold 5 is really thin, and this color here is called relaxing. It's truly beautiful, with a bit of a gradient feel, but it also has a deep teal hue to it. The weight of this phone when you hold it is similar to our current flagship phones, which are our bar phones. The weight and thickness are quite similar. Once it is unfolded, you can observe its slenderness, and it is genuinely very thin. The relaxed color option possesses a slight AG matte finish when you touch it, which has the benefit of not displaying fingerprints. It does not easily pick up fingerprints. You can observe this effect. When you touch it with your fingers, it becomes difficult to leave any fingerprints. The circular design of the camera here, along with its frame, has been treated in the same manner as our color. When we unfold it, it is truly exceptionally thin. It's really thin. And on the side, there's the volume button and the power button. The power button is a bit different, right? What exactly it is, I'll let you guess. Now, back to our inner screen, you can see the bezel and black screen are extremely narrow. Let's fold it and listen to the sound it makes. Currently, that is everything I am able to share with everyone. Regarding the phone's performance and battery life, we will need to wait until our event. After the launch event, we'll discuss it with everyone in detail. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.